Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'll keep this video very short, sweet, and to the point. I know a lot of you have been leaving in the comments of my bigger job lead videos where I share like 6-7 job leads every single day that you are looking for part-time, evening, weekend type work so that you can work around other jobs and make a little bit of side money or work around other responsibilities. And so in today's video, I have a part-time weekends only job lead for you. Now, of course, if you're looking for anything specific, always feel free to leave that in the comments below. And if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Don't forget, if you haven't already, check out the bigger video that I did today where I shared 6 different job leads. There are some great job leads in that video. But on today's job lead page on the website, this one is going to be the very last one on the page. The company is Rue Veterinary. Now, they only have 23 reviews from past and current employees. They are a smaller startup company, so as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They have an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars for their employee satisfaction. They are looking for a client support specialist, again, part-time, weekends only. Now, please note they are only hiring in certain states. Those states are listed right here, and they're looking for somebody to work during their peak client support hours, which is going to be 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time every weekend. So this is a weekends only, so you're going to be required to work every weekend. If you're outside of that central time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they're looking for somebody to basically be the point of contact for their customer inquiries that come through their online support channels of email, live chat, and also through their 1-833 Rue Vet phone number. You're going to troubleshoot and resolve any first line issues raised by hospital, vets, vet techs, providing accurate, complete, and supportive responses, just coordinating and escalating any issues up to other departments that you need, proactively documenting rainy day scenarios as they're encountered so that you can share any key learnings with the team. So Rue Vet is basically creating a business-to-business labor marketplace in animal healthcare. They're trying to connect basically veterinary professionals with hospitals through innovative technology. And so you are going to be taking those calls from these hospitals, the vets themselves, tech users, trying to help them troubleshoot any issues that they are having with the technology, with the products, all of that type of stuff. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 2 years of a customer support experience. They don't require you to have any vet or animal health care experience, but they do say if you have experience, that is a plus. They're really looking for somebody who has great communication skills, great organizational skills, can work with tools and software like computer software, and is flexible and has the ability to pivot quickly. Now, pay for this position, they state, is $23 to $28 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, as always, feel free to leave anything you are looking for down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.